What's going on, YouTube? Whips and Kicks. It's been a minute since we posted a video. You know, we're just going through some regular life stuff, man. But yeah, I ain't really been feeling like making no content or nothing like that. My grandmother passed in December. Then a little bit after my grandma passed, my auntie passed, right, which was my grandma's sister. But y'all remember the MC one of the last videos I did of the MC was dropping the MC off at that shop, Arthur's Automotive, right? Dropping the money off just spot, Arthur's Automotive. Nice spot. I've been here before. Right? I'm supposed to be putting the wheel woods on, disc conversion, new tranny, right? A new tranny under there. Sway bars and all that, right? Radiator, front end suspension build, QA1s on all four corners and all that. Anyway, the bill of the build came out to like a little over 18 racks, right? So during the build, they also changed the rear end and rebuilt the rear end, new axles, new studs and everything. I told them to use ARP studs. Now what type of studs they end up using, I don't know, because this happened. My baby, man. Bad day in the office. Tow truck is I'm waiting on the tow. They just told me maybe like an hour. Riding down the street, doing about 40, 45. 3 of my 5 studs broke off. Yep. Wheel came off. Car sat down on a wheel. Stopped it from rolling. Stopped the Dayton from rolling down the street. But crushed the back quarter panel right there. So that's what we got going on today. We're about to go get that fixed. But get that fixed and probably just go ahead and get the whole thing sprayed all over again, because it's been sheesh, I think this car got painted, man. Maybe about 12 years ago this car got painted. But that's what we got going on today, man. About to go over to the body shop, try to get this together, then tap back in with y'all when I get there.
Just a couple things and shit on the car.
You
know, there's a little tiny low spot right here. There's a little low spot right here. There's a dent protruding up right here. We're gonna fix that.
Yep. Yeah, you're good, man. How did you notice that low spot right there?
Of course, you need the little chips and shit. You know, any little shit like that will be all smoothed out before it gets sprayed and shit. But we want to make sure that everything's real clean and shit for you, man.
Yeah.
I know that on the hood right there. And then when I'm working on it, if I run across anything else, man, I'll address it too, because there's nothing that's really too major.
Okay.
But I just see a little minor shit, you know, dents and dings and shit, and you don't want that on there when you throw a brand new paint.
Yeah, she got painted shit probably about 12 years ago, man, 2011.
There's a small one right here coming up too. We'll get that. Right here, there's two areas right here I'm gonna get. If you look straight down, you're gonna see.
Oh yeah. Damn, they had to do this at the fucking shop, man. Damn.
A couple of things right there that need to be addressed right in that area. It's just real small shit, basically, but it would give you a fucking way better job. And there's just bitty shit down there to block all that shit out, man. And basically, yeah, it's straight up. This right here, we'll strip this down where that's bubbled right there.
Yeah.
I'll just strip that to metal right in that area with my wire wheels and shit and refinish that so that's not bubbling back up under your shit. Any of these chips will address. Other than that though, I mean, it looks like it's in decent shape. Right here, again, on that seam right here, I usually just start picking it off, but fucking right here, see that seams, all that shit will come out of there. I'll refinish that and fix that area too and shit.
Okay.
Other than that though,
would you have to take this off to fuck with it, or?
I just might have to.
Okay, so look, if you have to, could you pop this one on? I just ordered this one from eBay.
This right here?
Yeah.
Oh, you want this on here?
Yeah, if you have to pop it off.
Around here?
So this is the same as this, it's just this one is wrapped. Well, I probably have to fucking
yeah, I can put these on here, no problem.
Probably have to polish it out. I know a couple of them is dull.
I can do that on my I got a little polishing real quick. It won't take no time at all. It'll get them looking like this right here.
So you can get this one to look just like this?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Polishing wheel on some
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Yep, I'll hit those, get those things shining for you right there.
Hell yeah.
That ain't nothing.
Okay.
And what about these fence straps? You don't want them holding. Okay.
She's been a slow process, trying to put it together slowly but surely, bro.
It's in good shape. It's definitely fucking been, somebody's taking well good care of this thing.
I know why your car's not working.
You can tell just by looking at all the shit that it's been taken care of. Because a lot of times they're just shot. Everything is sparked.
Because of that.
It's a nice car.
That big thing.
The paint job was fucking brand new. It's probably pretty fucking clean. Still looks pretty fucking clean.
Yeah, it ain't bad for a 10-year, 11-year paint job, huh?
Nah, not too bad.
Not bad.
It wouldn't have picked up any flaws and shit. I mean, you know,
Yeah.
it'd still definitely be worth fucking working, you know what I mean, if you weren't trying to go into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think we'll be all good. We really love that. We just love that other kind of stuff. So, on that color. When we first started doing that chameleon shit, it was House of Color Chameleon.
House of Color, yeah.
And I was like, it was like fucking, I think it was like fucking $400 or $500 for a fucking
Hell
quarter
yeah,
of
I
paint,
remember
right?
that shit.
So
I
it was
remember
like a
it, bro.
couple grand, you know, for the paint.
Just
Plus
for the
you had
paint.
to get the black and all the shit and spray over the black base coat and everything still.
Yep.
So what that shit did is it makes it to where you can get that chameleon, because of course, you know, when it was new, it was a lot more. So now
Come on.
there's different companies and this, that, and they come up with their products now, and they release so many fucking colors, man, that fly. It's pretty ridiculous, man. If you're into that type of shit,
Yeah.
like on this thing with these wheels right here, oh, that is gonna look crazy,
It'll hit?
man. That's gonna look fucking crazy.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And they have a whole bunch of different ones that go like teal and fucking purples and all that
Yeah.
shit. But those fucking ones right there will fucking
It'll hit. That's what I was
man, and they
thinking.
fucking just fly
That's what I was thinking. I
hard.
think it would hit good off the wheels and the color combo with the
it will.
interior.
And it's like metallic looking like that. It's got the little sparkle.
So it
to
had the
too.
flakes in it?
It's got the sparkle to it too. When it'll, you know,
Okay.
like where you see it lighting up all here, that motherfucker's gonna be hitting colors just sitting there and shit.
Okay.
So it would have been cool to fix this and redo the areas and shit and all that, but for the effort that would get put into just repair this paint, and unless you wanted to keep it, you know, you might as well just slap it on.
Think so?
Yeah.
Just go slap with a new
I
new
just
job.
slap that pearl on there, man. You'd be all new and fucking. I mean, because if you just went and repaired all this, you're still gonna have a lot of this little damage
That wavy
and shit
stuff.
on the hood
Yes,
and
sweetie.
on the other fender.
The airplane?
There was an air show out here a couple weekends ago. The jets were out here.
That's what she was just talking about too. Like,
Crazy,
can you take me
man.
to see the airplanes?
Right over here. I was like,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
There's like 6 of them.
Well, when we leave, we'll walk across the street, wait for mom and do. Is that like a little arcade? That's what that is
Yeah,
across the street, bro?
It's like the fucking world fucking known fucking pinball place, bro. You go in that motherfucker. they
Yeah.
got all the pinball.
Okay,
games
yeah, she'll
way
love that
back,
shit.
the whole
She'll
9
love that
yards,
shit.
man.
Yeah, she'll love that
That
shit.
place is ridiculous over there. I've been in this. I've been here for 7 years.
Okay.
When I first came here, I went over there and it wasn't open like that. They had a small area back there, but they had all the games in there. They've been building it up for a few years, and they just got it all paved out there and got this motherfucker opened up to the public and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pretty big deal right there.
Okay,
It's like
okay.
fucking world known.
Yeah. Hell yeah. You think that's the best bet is to just go ahead and bust her all the way down, huh? Because it's like 12 years old, man, the paint job.
Oh yeah, you gonna be a million times better with that other color. It's brand new, and with the other color, you get all your flaws fixed. Rather than get your wheel well fixed and get your color blended in and still kind of be looking the same, you get a whole nother look.
Yeah.
A lot of little blemishes fixed during the whole thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And your wheel well fixed and all your whole 9 yards. And those things are loud, bro. If you like loud pack, that motherfucker, those colors are loud pack.
Is that candy going on that MC right there, bro?
That red, yeah. Candy
Hell
red,
yeah.
It's got a silver
Hell
base
yeah.
coat on it, silver base candy
Hell
red.
yeah. Hell yeah.
Daddy.
Shit.
There's another
Shit.
airplane over there.
Okay, we'll go across the street. You said there's some pinballs across the street. We'll go over there while we wait for mom to come, all right? And play the pinballs. Maybe we'll see some airplanes while we over there.
I want to go to the loud airplanes. I like them.
You're not scared of them? Okay.
We should get on the
They really
loud
fucked
air.
my car up, man. Look at that.
I'm looking.
Yeah, they really messed it up.
There's another one in the car. What?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this car.
I like that. You like that paint?
Yeah.
I like this paint, right?
Yeah, you should get it. We should get a red one with pink, with blue on it.
Well, he's gonna make this one change colors.
I want him to make it blue.
Blue? It's gonna be a bunch of different colors.
Why? I just like to be a blue.
You just like to be blue? Then we gotta change the interior if we make it blue, because the interior is burgundy and tan. Right.
Yeah, that rear end ain't no fucking pump.
Oh hell yeah, you got a big boy 9-inch under here.
It's got that airlock here and shit, that motherfucker right here.
Big pipes on it.
They're not like full on like trying to race.
Oh shit. Hell yeah. Extended studs. Oh yeah, he's trying to race. He's trying to get busy.
No motherfucking joke.
Hell no. All on the small block too. Hey. So you'll hit all this too then, huh, bro? Like the underneath
I will.
Hell yeah, my man. Hell
that
yeah.
Motherfucker looks right.
Hell yeah.
That motherfucker looks right, bro. You gotta make sure everything's right.
He building this one all the way, bro.
Yeah, they have the roof cut up in there.
Yeah. Yep, we got the disc brakes on there, wheelwood. Hell yeah. Drilled.
I got the wheelwood fronts too. I just want to put them on after I sprayed it so I didn't get no overspring accident or anything.
Look like some big 3-inch pipes right
It's
there.
got like, what's it got, 22 inch Santis.